Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use scripts on Google Sheets. Using Google Apps scripts in Google Sheets allows you to automate tasks, build custom functions, or integrate third-party services. Here's a detailed guide on how to use scripts in Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to open the Google Sheets where you want to use a script or where you want to create a script. Then in your Google Sheets, which is displayed here, go to Extensions menu at the top of the screen. Then click on App Scripts, which is here, and this will open the Google App Script editor in a new tab. Okay, this opening. In the script editor, you will see a default function. A default function that looks like this. All right, so this is like function formatting cells. So you can rename the function and write the script you want to execute. For example, to create a script that displays a pop-up message, you could write function and then show alert. So here we have formatting cells. You can choose show alert. You can just edit this to show alert, which is what we want to do here. So this could be show alert. So now that you're done with that, after writing your script, go ahead and click on deploy. All right, so just go ahead and save it by clicking on deploy. Of course, to run your scripts, go ahead and click on the run button, which is just right here. Okay. So before clicking on deploy, because once you click on deploy, you're going to be asked to choose either new deployment, manage deployment, or test deployment. Before heading over there, you're going to have to save. So go ahead and click on save project. So once that has been saved, you're going to need to run. So to run your script, go ahead and click on this run button in the toolbar, which is at the top. So you can see now the execution has started and you see the execution has been completed. Okay, so the first time that you're running the script, Google might ask you for authorization to access your Google Sheet. So in case you don't get that, then it's just going to be executed just like we've done right now. So just once you're asked to grant authorization, go ahead and click on review permissions and select your Google account and then click on allow. So now that we're done, you might also need to test the script in Google Sheets. So once the script is authorized, just go ahead and return to your Google Sheets, which is here. And you see that the scripts will automatically will run automatically. That's if it's designed to trigger or an event. So if it's a custom function, you can use it directly in your sheets by typing show alert. That's when you get to your sheets, just go ahead and click on your equal sign in any of the, so you can use the equal sign and click on, just type show alert in your parentheses. Okay, and just click on okay. As you can see, it's loading, but then it says error loading data. And because we have an issue with that, but if it doesn't, if you don't have an issue with that script, that's just how it's going to work. So if you write a script as a function that returns a value, you can use it as a custom formula in your Google Sheets. So all you need to do is to head back here to the recorded macros and choose functions, multiply by 2 and input. All right, then after saving the script, go to Google Sheets and you can use a formula like equals multiplied by 2 parentheses A1, and it will multiply the value in cell A1 by 2. Okay, so that's just how to get that done. That's how to use scripts, or that's how to add scripts in Google Sheets. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.